just got a call for some vehicle stuck in the mud up in the Verkin overlook area. There's just a mud puddle there. On the upside, we are in the Little Yellow Banana. This will be its first recovery since we upgraded the rear suspension. We'll see if it's everything we hoped and dreamed it would be.
Palm straight out, forward. Fantastic. We're headed out to Sheep Bridge Road. Got a Chevy Astro van stuck in a mud hole. Got my cameraman with me today. This is Rhett. He's staying home from school today because he's wounded. He stepped on a sliver and now he's thinking that maybe he can stay home and get better. So it just looks like you're high centered.
Yeah, I tried digging it out a little bit, but it was way too hard. All I had was like a pocket knife and a piece of wood.
Okay, well, it probably just keep going forward. That way I don't have to drag you over all this where you've been scraping. It looks like you'll be out in a second if we just go forward. in the rut. Pretty easy. What do you want for lunch? You want Wendy's? Want a hamburger? Taco Bell? Taco Bell.